A very warm welcome to this web-based course on vocal music for graduate students. This course has been developed by the faculty members of the Department of Music, Faculty of Arts, the Dayal Bagh Educational Institute, a university situated in Agra. This course is a part of the National Mission on Education through Communication and Information Technology under a project with the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. As a part of the introduction to the course, I would like to clarify a few points. This course is of vocal music and it is for graduate level students. It will attempt to cover 5 main ragas. A special feature of this course is that through intensive practice and group teaching, an awareness will be created in students. It has been found that due to a rigorous examination system and a strict curriculum in colleges and universities, students don't get enough time for practice. But practice is the lifeblood of music as an art and as a skill. This will be given special importance in this course. The first unit to the course begins with Swar Abhyas. This involves the practice of Swara through 10 Ashray Ragas. Unit 1, Swar Abhyas, practice of Aroh and Avroh of 10 Ashray Ragas. These are Kafi, Khamaj, Purvi, Asavari, Todi, Marwa and Bhairavi. This unit will also include practice of Alankars in Rag Yaman and Rag Bhairav. Unit 2. This includes Drut Khayal with Alap and Taan in Ragas Yaman, Bilawal, Bihag, Bhairav and Bageshri. This unit also includes 1 Vilambit Khayal in any of these ragas. Unit 3. This includes 1 Drupad and 1 Dhamar in any of the mentioned ragas. Unit 4. This will include 1 Bhajan and 1 Lok Geet. The last and the 5th unit will include Theka and Lekari in Teen Tal, Jhap Tal, Ek Tal and Char Tal. We now move to the classroom where our expert will take over. Thank you.
Jati, category of raga which depends on the usage of swaras of a raga in ascending and descending order. Jati is called category with whom a raga is classified. Jati has 3 types such as Sampurna Jati, Shadav Jati and Audav Jati. Sampurna Jati, 7 swaras in Aroha and Avroha. A raga having all 7 swaras in Aroha and Avroha belongs to Sampurna Jati. For example, Rag Bhairav belongs to Sampurna Jati as it has all 7 swaras in Aroha and Avroha. Shadav Jati. 6 swaras in Aroha and Avroha. A raga having 6 swaras in Aroha and Avroha belongs to Shadav Jati. For example, Rag Mangal Bhairav belongs to Shadav Jati because Ga is not used in Aroha and Avroha of Mangal Bhairav, such as Sa Re Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Re Sa. Odav Jati. 5 swaras in Aroha and Avroha. A raga having 5 swaras in Aroha and Avroha belongs to Odav Jati. For example, Raga Vrindavani Sarang belongs to Odav Jati because Ga and Dha are not used, such as Sa Re Ma Pa Ni Sa Sa Ni Pa Ma Re Sa. Division of Jatis. There are 9 types of Jatis further on the basis of Aroha and Avroha. Sampurna Jati. In Sampurna Jati, we have 3 types, such as Sampurna Sampurna, Sampurna Shadav, and Sampurna Odav. In Shadav Jati, we have again 3 types, Shadav Sampurna, Shadav Shadav, and Shadav Odav. Odav Jati, we have 3 types again, such as Odav Sampurna, Odav Shadav, and Odav Odav. Names of Indian classical musical notes. Sanskrit name Shadja. It is sung as Sa and written as S. Rishabh. It is sung as Re and written as R. Gandhar. It is sung as Ga and written as G. Madhyam. It is sung as Ma and written as M. Pancham is sung as Pa and written as P. Dhaivat. It is sung as Dha and written as DH. Nishad. It is sung as Ni and written as N. What is Athat? The literal meaning of That is personality or outer appearance. The distinctive features of That. A That should always be Sampurna, that is, it should possess 7 swaras or musical notes. These 7 swaras should be in perfect order, such as Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. A That must be capable of giving birth to a raga. A That is not supposed to have both Aroha and Avroha. Rather, it has only an Aroha of 7 swaras. A That can include Komal and Tivra forms of the same note. Musical notes of each That. Bilaval. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. All swaras in Bilaval are natural or Shuddha. Kalyan. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. All swaras are natural except Ma, which is Tivra. Khamaj. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. All swaras are natural except Ni, which is Komal. Bhairav. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. Here we have Re and Dha Komal. All other swaras are natural. Kafi. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. Here we have Ga and Ni Komal and other swaras are natural. Asavari. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. We have Ga, Dha and Ni Komal and Re is Shuddha, Ma is also Shuddha. Purvi. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. Here we have Re Komal, Dha Komal and Tivra Ma is also there. Gandhar and Nishad are natural or Shuddha. Marva. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. Here we have Re Komal and Madhyam Tivra. All other swaras are natural or Shuddha. Todi. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. In Todi we have Re, Ga and Dha Komal. Ma is Tivra and Ni is Shuddha. The last one, Bhairavi. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. Here we have Re, Ga, Dha, Ni, all four swaras Komal, whereas Madhyam is Shuddha. So students, you have come to know about the fundamentals of Indian classical music. Now, I'll be explaining Dhrupad first. Students, you must know what is Dhrupad. Its short historical account, its parts and singing style. So, students, you are aware of a short historical account of Dhrupad. In Indian classical music, every style of singing is started with Alap. Alap, which you have learnt in Unit 2, is quite different from the Alap of Dhrupad. In Dhrupad, Nom Tom Alap is used before singing Dhrupad. An example of Nom Tom Alap is being given by Professor Satyabhan Sharma, who was head music department of Gyalbagh Educational Institute.
Amen.